Alright guys, we're doing day 4 and day 5 today, so please make sure that you are paying close attention and following along with me. Okay? Now, everyone say factory. Okay? We're going to divide that into two morphemes, fact and ori. Alright? Fact means to make or do. Ori means relating to, place, where, or quality. This one should already be done for you on your page. And our definition of that is going to be a place where something is made. Okay, our sentence says the car factory hires many people from our town so that factory, they make cars. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Everyone say concur. Alright, we're going to divide that into con and cur. Remember, if it's in blue on my board, you're writing it down. Alright, let's take a look. Con means together or with. Cur means to run or go. Let's think very quickly. What could concur mean? To run or go with something. Okay? Says, I concur with the plan to have ice cream after dinner. So that means that they are going along with that plan to have ice cream after dinner. Alright, you can pause the video here for them to copy down what's in blue on their papers. Alright, so this week we are looking at closed syllables, vowel teams, and vowel R. We know that if it's closed, it has one vowel followed by one or more consonants. The vowel sound is short, meaning it does not say its name. When you have a vowel team, you have two or more letters that are side by side, and they make the sound of one vowel. And with vowel R, we're looking for our vowels, A, E, I, O, U, followed by the letter R. Great job, guys. Alright, so let's take a look at my board. Alright, we're looking at our first syllable. Nor. Is nor turn a word? No, it is not. What about normal? Yes, normal is a word. Great job. Alright, let's take a look. Alright, go ahead and mark those out on your paper. Let's look at the next one. Alright, what about centurn? Sin made. Centene. Sincere. That sounds like a word. It is. Sincere is a word. That's not how we spell it. What about sin get? Center. Center is a word. Great job. Alright, let's look at turn. Made. 13. 13 is a word. Alright, what about turn? Made. Seer. Target. Target. That is a word. Great job. What about turn? Mermaid. Mermaid is a word. Alright. You can pause the video here and they can fill the rest of those out. Alright. Let's go through them. This is what you should have. Normal. Center. 13. Target. Mermaid. Pattern. Expert. Sincere. Herself. Inform. You can pause the video here to make sure everyone has down what they need. Alright guys, we're going to go to day 5. And let's take a look. We're going to look at our morphemes. When I say the morpheme, you're going to say what it means. X. NM. Re. curse. Dorm. Fact, feck, fic. Mem. Sense, scent. Airy, eerie, ory. Shun, shun. If. All right, let's take a look right here. If sense means to feel or perceive or know, what does sensory mean? So we know sense, to feel, perceive, or know. Ory means relating to, place, where, or quality. Sensory means relating to feelings or perceptions. All right. If an event will recur, does that mean it will or will not happen again? What's our key word right here? Re. And re means what? Again. Great job, guys. It means it will happen again. Okay. If you give a cursory glance, what does that mean? Curse means to run or go. Ory means relating to, place, where, or quality. That means to glance quickly. We learned yesterday that he had to do a cursory exam, meaning he had to do a quick exam. So that means to glance quickly. It says a bakery is a place where people do what? Think. What is it? A place where people bake. Super easy, guys. All right. If dorm means to sleep, what is a dormitory? A place where you what? Sleep. Good job. Now, let's take a look right here. It says my dad took his car back to the fact blank to be repaired. That's going to be the factory, the factory. Great job. It says the plot of the TV show seems re-blankive because each episode ends the same. It's going to be what? Recursive. Recursive. Okay. Remember, if it's in blue on my board, you're copying it down. Number 3. Did you in blank a fine from the judge? Did you what? Incur a fine from the judge. This one right here says the class took an X blank shun to the Wrights family farm. The class took a what? Excursion to the Wrights family farm. The last one. I will always have a fond blank of my second grade teacher. Memory. A memory. Okay, get those copied down. Alright. You can pause the video here for them to copy if you need to. Alright, I'm going to say a word. You're going to repeat it. Remember, we're not screaming. Alright. Hurry. Perfect. Expert. Worsen. Cartoon. Daycare. Morning. Ignore. You have a list of words on your paper. You're going to read them silently for 1 minute. Get started. Alright, and stop. Start with the one you finished on. Alright, I'm going to say the phrase. Excuse me. I'm going to say the phrase and you're going to repeat it. Okay, here we go. Smell the perfume. Confirm the password. Carton of milk. Adore them dearly. All right, you have a list of phrases on your paper. You're going to read them silently for 1 minute. Get started. All right, and stop. Circle the one you finished on. All right, guys, I do not have my book with me, so you're going to copy these sentences down. Take a look at my board. It was an ordinary morning here yesterday. It was an ordinary morning here yesterday. Copy that down. Sub, you can pause the video here for them to copy. The second sentence you're going to copy down. I wonder if the winter storm will return. I wonder if the winter storm will return. You can pause the video here for them to finish this, and then we are done with phonics for today.